Hi, welcome back to Shop's Garage. It's just a very quick update as I've managed to get half an hour or so to spend on the Lancia Thesis, the so-called ugly duckling. Obviously I don't think it's ugly. Comments on the last video having a go at me. I actually think it's a beautiful car, which is obviously why I got hold of it. It's been on my list for a while. Now, I don't know if you remember, basically last time the issue with this was we had no clutch on it. It arrived, it'd been sitting under a tree for 2 years, had no clutch pedal at all, which went straight to the floor and didn't return. So the issue I had was that I clamped off the pipe going down to the slave and then pumped the pedal to see if I got pressure, which immediately burst a pipe here. There was a coil clutch pipe down here that burst. It was old and rusty, so I bypassed that with a copper pipe one I've made up, tried again, and that burst got me another leak further down near the slave cylinder on the rubber pipe fitting, which burst off as well. So that had a very bad seal on it. I've basically fitted a Alfa Romeo 159 one. I've adapted an Alfa Romeo 159 fitting to work. So put all that together. Then from the pipe from the reservoir here, I actually fitted another pipe to that, hung it up to the bonnet here and filled that full of clutch fluid, and then pumped the pedal to make sure that my master cylinder, which is tucked all the way back here, actually had fluid in it. And I'm pleased to say, after putting that pipe back on again, we have clutch pedal. I'll prove it. Here we go. So she's now returning. Obviously the interior still needs a really good clean out, which will be for another video. But like I said, I wanted to first of all get this thing running and driving. So I thought, okay, we'll put it back down on the ground, get it started, have a drive. But what happened was, unfortunately I didn't get on video, fuel started peeing out of the connections here. And what it seems to happen to do is when I gave it to somebody else to have a look at previously, I think they've lent on the pipes here and cracked them off. I might be being unfair, it might have been something else. But the fittings were cracked and peeing fuel out, so I've had to go onto eBay and order some more of those. So I'm not going to be able to test it out today. But one step closer to getting the Thesis back on the road and seeing what other issues it may well have. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see the next update on the Thesis or any of the other projects. And until then, I'll catch you later.